Today we are going to read a story from Elga 7. The name of the story is Wind, Fire and Paper. This is adapted from Chinese folk tales. Folk tales means what? A very old traditional story that has been passed down from one generation to another in a spoken form. So this is a Chinese folk tale, and Chinese folk tales are 4,000 years old. They talk about culture of China and how people live there. Now let us start the story. An old man lived in China with his two sons. There was an old man in China and he was living with his two sons. His sons were married to two sisters. So these two sons, they were married to two sisters. They were living happily in their house. The two sisters wanted to visit their parents. Visit means they wanted to go to their parents' house for a short period of time. Before leaving, they took the blessing of the old man. They took the good wishes from the old man. These two sisters, they said, "We want to gift you something." "What do you want?" They asked these two sisters, "What do you want for this old man?" "Get wind and fire wrapped in a paper." Wrapped means to pack in a piece of paper. He said. The sister promised to get his gift. The sisters promised to get his gift. Promise means they given the words. They stayed for a few days with their parents. So these two girls, they stayed for a few days with their parents. Now it was time for them to return, but they could not find the gift for the old man. They asked many people, but they could not help them. So other people also, they are not able to help those two sisters. People said, "Wind will blow the paper." Means it will move the paper, and the fire will burn the paper. Burn means to catch fire. So they said like that. The two sisters started crying. Then what happened? These two sisters started crying. Why? Because they didn't find the gift for the old man. Just then a woman came to help them. And that time one woman, she came to help these two sisters. She said, "I can put wind and fire in a paper." What she said? That she can put wind and fire in a paper. First, she made a paper fan. So first what she made? She made a paper fan. Then she made a paper box. She made a paper box and put a lamp inside it. And inside the paper box, she put one lamp inside the paper box. The old man was surprised to receive this gift. So this old man, he was surprised to receive this gift. Means he was not expecting the gift, but he got this gift. So this is the story. You liked the story? I hope so. Thank you very much.